If you've been trying to figure out how to find the Hostinger file manager, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps so you can get to your website files quickly and easily inside Hostinger. This is useful if you want to upload files, edit website content, troubleshoot issues, or manage your site without getting lost in the dashboard. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple web hosting tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go ahead and log in to your Hostinger account. You can do this by going to the Hostinger website and entering your email and password. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main account area where all of your hosting and website tools are stored. If you manage more than one website, take a moment to make sure you're inside the correct account before moving on. Next, look for the website section. This is where Hostinger keeps the list of all the sites connected to your account. Click on Websites, and you should now see the website or websites you've created or connected to Hostinger. If you have multiple projects, choose the one you want to work on so you don't accidentally open the wrong dashboard. After that, click Dashboard for the website you want to manage. The dashboard is the control center for that specific site, and this is where Hostinger places the main tools for managing your hosting setup. Once you open the dashboard, take a quick look around if needed, because this is the area where you'll find options for files, databases, backups, and other important website settings. Now here's the part you've been looking for. On the dashboard, you should be able to see File Manager. This is the tool that gives you direct access to your website's files without needing any separate software. Click File Manager and Hostinger will open the file management interface for that website. From here, you can browse folders, upload files, edit content, and manage the files that make your site work behind the scenes. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Sometimes the layout can look a little different depending on your Hostinger plan or the specific dashboard view. Just keep an eye out for anything labeled File Manager, Files, or a similar option inside the website dashboard. The goal is to stay inside the correct website panel and then open the file management tool from there. Once you're inside File Manager, you'll be able to access the website's root folders and other directories. This is especially helpful if you need to work with WordPress files, upload media, change code, or find a specific file for troubleshooting too. Just be careful when making changes, because files are directly connected to how your website functions. So to recap, the process is simple. Log into Hostinger, go to Websites, click Dashboard, and then click File Manager to access your files. That's the fastest way to find it and start managing your site. If this video saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Hostinger tutorials, website guides, and easy step-by-step tech help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.